In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. So normally when you view tabs in Chrome, they are at the top of the box here in a horizontal line. But with this new feature, you can actually see them as a vertical view here on the left-hand side. First and foremost, open up Chrome. Make sure you have the most recent version installed on your machine. If you see an update or relaunch in the upper right-hand corner, you'll just click on that. Make sure you have the most recent version of Chrome installed. Once you do that, you want to go to this URL here, chrome://flags. This brings up all of the experiments that Chrome has to offer. Right here where it says search flags, type in the word vertical, find the one that says vertical tabs. Then select the drop-down menu and make sure you have enabled selected. Once you do, you're good to go. Now what you want to do at the top where you see your vertical tabs, you want to right click on any tab or anywhere on this bar, and you should see a new option that says show tabs vertically, like so. Now you're going to see your tabs in a vertical list on the left-hand side. A couple of things you can do. You can select the outer border here and you'll see the two left and right pointing arrows. If you click and hold with your mouse, you can increase and decrease the size of that. What I like to do is use this collapse feature with these little three lines here to collapse the tabs. Now I have much more window space and I can go and navigate through. So here's my Canva for thumbnails. Here's my Google document. And as you can see, I can just easily click and navigate my tabs. Again, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and enable and disable that collapse just like so. And if you want to rearrange the tabs, you just click and hold on a specific tab and drag it wherever you want here on the list. And in order to close out of a tab, you just click the X as you see here next to that tab. That'll close out. And adding a tab is as simple as clicking the addition symbol here and opening up a new blank window or tab within Google Chrome. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. I'll have some frequently asked questions pinned in a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.